Hey everyone, so I know I promised quite a while back that I'd do a bit of a recording with fueling up your car, but I was going to come back with my wife's car so that I could show you how to do it manually, because the last video that I did with filling up with fuel, I used my car but I used an app. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to fill my wife's car with $10 just to show you the idea of how to fill up with fuel, but doing it the manual way. So first off, you got to choose a pump. So I've come to the BP garage. I'm going to choose pump number 15, so take note of which pump you're actually at. So it's pump number 15 that I'm at. Park the car next to the pump, and then what you'll do from here is you'll go around to the pump, and I'm going to show you what to do. Just, my wife asked me to share. It's a little bit of a trick that you can do. Just, I'll show you now. Let me zoom in and I'll show you. So if you have a look here, I know it's a little bit bright from the sun, but if you see on the fuel gauge, it's got a little picture of the petrol pump over there. Where that petrol pump is, it's got an arrow on the left which shows you that your petrol cap, or where you fill in fuel in your car, is on the left hand side. If it was on the right hand side, that little arrow would be on the right hand side. Just a top tip. And so let me get out the car and show you how to fill up with fuel. What I realized I didn't tell you as well, besides the top tip of which side your petrol cap is on, or where you need to fill in your car with fuel, is you have a look, you'll have to open up the petrol cap or the petrol flap, and usually on your car, on hers, it's on the right hand side. You'll see a little lever there that I'm going to have to pull to be able to open the flap. So you can open the door. Okay, so once you come around to the car, you'll open up the flap. You'll see the flap was like this. Open it up, loosen the cap. You've usually got somewhere where you can hang the little nozzle. Oh geez, this is my wife's car. There we go. It goes like so. And you'll usually see on the inside of the cap, it'll tell you what fuel you can take here. So you can see with hers, it's 91 plus that you can put into the car. So 91 or 95 is, because this is a petrol car, that's what you can put in here. So if you look over here, you'll see diesel 91, 95, 98. So with her car, you can either put in 91 or 95. I'm going to put in 95. What you'll do is you'll come here and you'll just put in how much you want to put in. So you'll say here, okay, I want to put in $10, and then you go for it. So I put in $10. You see it's $10 there, and then I just go confirm, and now it's going to say lift the hose, squeeze the trigger. So I go here, and I'll go around, put it in, pull the lever, and you'll see it'll start filling. It'll say please start fuel, and you'll see it's actually starting to fill up over there on the actual thing. It's only $10, so it was really quick. I'll show you now. It's going up. And what you do is take out the nozzle, put it back, put the lid back on, close up, and then you'll go from here inside and you'll go pay. Just remember the number that you're at. It was number 15 that you're at, so that's where you'll have to go inside and pay and say it's for number 15. So let's go inside and pay. Hey, that's just pump number 15. It's $10. Thank you. Cool, thanks. So the other thing that I wanted to share with you is back home in South Africa, I know when you want to pump your tyres with air, you would usually just go next to one of the petrol pumps that we were at like 2 minutes ago, and then the air would be there. Here it's not. You'd have to go to the left hand side. You'll see usually where the vacuum cleaner and everything is, you'll see the air is here as well. So you'll see I'm going to park over here. I need to pump the tyres on my wife's car. So it's going to be a bit noisy because I can see they're busy vacuuming next to me. What I'll do is I'll just do the recording. I'll do a voiceover at home, but you pretty much just park next to the pump over here. You'll see there's this green thing over here that has the air and everything coming out of the pipes. Yeah, just remember, park to the left, pump is not by the actual petrol garage. I know it caught me off guard when I was trying to pump my tires for the first time. It's like, where the hell is the pump gone? So now I know, just park to the left. This one might be a bit quieter because we're on the other side of the car. Again, listening for the beep. Oh, there we go, they've turned off the vacuum. Now we listen for the beep because it's set to 2.3 on the machine as per the door. Wait for the beep. There we go, you hear the beep, it's done. And that's it. Easy as.